Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this full pleat turban, full body pleat turban, I'll be needing these two pieces of material cut out. And for the first one, the length is going to be 24 inches by 20 inches width, 20 inches. The depth is going to be 20 inches, so set that aside. And the second pieces we are going to be using, will measure, the length will measure 28 inches by 39. And mind you, the material that I'm using here is called raw silk. Yes, raw silk. So the second material measures 28 inches by 39, as you can see that. So, and I also have these two long material cut out. It measures 4 inches. Each measures 4 inches by 60 lengths. So we'll start with the smallest material, the smallest pieces that measures 24 by 20. So it's very easy. We're just going to, because I'll be sewing it together with the bands, I'll just fold in I measure 4 inches and I'll fold, then sew, which will automatically give us 2 inches as bands. We'll sew that down. Then we're going to be pleating just the way we normally pleat our auto gele beads. We're going to pleat everything and sew it down. It's as simple as that. I think I was able to get 6 pleats from this. We'll also do the same thing for the second pieces. So for this long strip that measures 4 inches by 60 length, we're just going to be folding on the wrong side like this, sew it down and turn it out. It's as simple as that. We are going to repeat the same for the second piece also. As you can see here, I'm done pleating my fabric and I was able to get 6 for this first one, and this second one I also did the pleat and it's much. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to get our dummy and place the first one on it equally, and then you put the second one on it like this, making it start from where the last pleat end on the first fabric. We'll place it, ensure that everything is equal. Then we'll slant the side forward. And we can do this with the help of our pin. You see me demonstrating exactly what I'm explaining. So on the first pleat of the second piece, we'll pin it down. Then to the two sides, we are going to slant it forward like this. That is the beauty of this turban. We'll slant it, pin it, and we're going to repeat the same thing for the second side. So we'll pin that like this and do the same for the second side also. And we'll be sewing it down on the first pleat of the second one. We'll be sewing it together. We'll take it to our sewing machine, just the way I'm demonstrating, and sew it down. As you can see, I've done that, and this is the look. So I'll cut out this excess, then weave it with my machine. Then we'll fold it in 2 equal halves. Normally how we normally do, I measured 10.5 for the head circumference because this material is stretchy. I will sew it at that point, maybe 1 inch in, then take it back to have that drop at the back, then sew it and close it. It's so simple. I've done it and I've run my gathers. As you can see, it's so beautiful. So that is it. Then for this 2 long strip, I'll take my elastic. Then I'll pass it in through with the help of safety pin. I did not have any measurement for the elastic. I just, it's a long strip of elastic. I just pass it in and came out at the other side, and I tied it just like, as if I'm making scrunchie. That is what I did with this ruffle. I drag it and I tied it. You will see what I'm talking about. Mind you, I did not totally tighten it. They will still have small, like a very little space in the middle. I tied it and I secured it like 3 times. I cut off the elastic. Then this is how I'll cover that place that is not sewn. I will fold it in on both sides like this, like tucking it in. I'll do that for the second side. Then I'll tuck in one into the other, like you are overlapping kind of. Then I'll secure it with my glue gun. Please, let's be very, very careful with this glue gun so that it won't stain our job. So I did that maybe in like 3 to 4 places and I was okay. So I will now gather it, drag it to cover that side. I'll, just like scrunchy, and that is all. I will just, I've done the other one. I'll be attaching it to my turban with the help of my hot candle excuse me, glue. You can decide to put it anywhere you want, anywhere. You can position it wherever you feel it will come out so beautiful, and that is what I'm doing here. I'll secure it, I'll place it with my candle glue, you can see, and I added this beautiful applique to it, and I'm going to be showing you. This applique is very, very common. I just cut out and decide to stick it with my candle glue, and this is the end result. Please continue to like my page and click on the subscription button to get more notifications and video whenever I drop new updates. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye for now.